Hello guys, hope everyone is doing good. As you know, I am Sarwar Khan and you are watching Tech Badshah. Today, I'm gonna show you how to avoid system lock or avoid your system going into sleep mode. It always a case, with your network wherein you are connected to the work network or connected to a school network where you do not have control over your setting part of the system. So what happens? Say you have a window computer in your shop or maybe into a public place, but continuous, you want to present an image or you want to slideshow or you want to do show static content to the users or the public. So what happens is if you're connected to a work network or maybe a school network, your system administrator is controlling your power settings. So what happens is your system may be going into sleep mode, maybe after 20 minutes or maybe 10 minutes idle time. I'll give a more relevant example which I have seen in my past experience. So for example, say you've got a application, say a web server application running over a desktop computer. Because of say some limitations, you don't have a server or it is out of budget, or maybe security policies of your organization does not permit a particular application to be installed over a server. Maybe because of the maintenance or maybe a IT security policy. So what happens? Some of the cases, exceptionally, the applications are installed on a desktop machine. So what happens is, say you have got Windows 10 or maybe Windows 11 or maybe say Windows 8.1 or maybe Windows 7. So some of the applications say those runs on a IIS web server or maybe say Apache web server. So or many of the time these systems are also configured to work in database software as well. So what happens if your system is idle for 20 minutes or maybe 10 minutes basis your IT security policies. So what happens during those times, the end users, those are actually using those applications, they are not able to access those applications till the time the application is not into the sleep mode. So what happens, people manage to see, they'll go and move the mouse after some time so that it's up and again running in certain bad jobs runs on this those kind of desktops. So what happens if the system is in idle and it is into a sleep mode, those batches also fails and causes inconvenience to the users. So here what I'm going to show you how to avoid your system going into sleep mode or maybe into a system lock condition. So let's go to the computer screen and write a code to avoid screen lock. We will also see how to automate it using a task scheduler. What we can do is we can schedule a particular task on the Windows startup so that it doesn't lock your screen or let the computer go into the sleep mode. So let's check it out. We are back to the computer screen. So let's write a quick program to avoid the screen lock. So you open a notepad, set WSC equals create object, and like this to write WScript.Shell, okay, in double quotes, write do. Actually we are doing a do while loop here. We are writing again WScript.Sleep and we are saying 60 multiplied by 1000, okay. Then we write wsc.SendKeys. Be careful because it's going to be case sensitive, okay. SCROLLLOCK and space and Q2, it has to be in curly braces, so the SCROLLLOCK must be into the curly braces, opening close. You write loop. So if you write this code and save it as So you can save anywhere where you want. What we'll do is we can give a name, say screen unlock dot VBS. You can see this. So what you have to do is simply just double click on this, and your computer will not go into sleep mode, or it will not be locked. The next option would be you need to schedule this into automated jobs. To do so, go to start button, look for task scheduler, open it, click on create basic task. You can also use create task option, but create basic task gives you a better step-by-step guidance to do it. So always use this option. Give a name here, like screen lock or whatever you want. To give a meaningful description, say next. And you see multiple options here, where this particular script will be executed. You should click when the computer starts, so that you don't have to worry every time to go and execute the script. So you click on when the computer starts, go to next. It gives you multiple options. Keep the first option itself, go to next. Here select the script that you want to be executing. So we have this particular screen lock VBS file. We are just selecting it, saying next, saying finish. Once you finish, and if you go to task scheduler library, you should find it out your uh, particular script, okay, the task that we have written. So just open it and have a look all these options, and go to triggers, verify it. So you would see always enabled, and the action is always on the start. Okay, so this is what we check. This is the path, so all look good to us. And when you next time work on this, the computer will not get locked, and automatically when the window starts, this particular script that we have scheduled here is going to be in effect. So you don't have to manually go and run that particular VBS script. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like and if it is useful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.